Here at home and new at 5, a new tool is making good progress patching up the streets across Quincy. The city rented the flameless pothole patcher back in June and will continue to use it to fix the roads through the end of September. Take a look. Here it is. Director of Central Services Kevin McLean says while using the truck is a bit slower, it does make for a more reliable fix.
It'll definitely keep us from going back to the same spot over and over and over. This patch is a little bit more, it should be more stable and a lot longer lasting patch than just a Band-Aid.
And he says the city is asking drivers to be patient with the truck's progress and to be careful when driving around the road work.